Hi everybody, it's Kelly Driver here. Thank you for joining me today. Welcome to my art channel. I've been doing quite a few paintings recently that have got dark backgrounds, ones that you can see behind me here, and a big commission piece that I've just done. And I'm feeling the need to do something light and bright rather than the dark base at the moment. And I've just had this thing going around in my head of doing some pinks and oranges. So I've got a 30 by 30 canvas and I just want to play around with these colors. And I've got a new brand of paint that I'm including today, so that I've never used before. So it's a French one called Jacquard. So I'll be interested to see how that goes with my favorite Amsterdam paints. So let's have a paint and have some fun. Okay, so I've got everything set up. We've got titanium white, Pebeo orange yellow, quinacridone rose light, azo yellow light, and this is my new colour, Jacquard Lumiere Halo Pink Gold. We'll give that a go. And that's what it looks like in my little baby cup there. And I've got Venetian rose here, but I haven't decided whether I'm going to use it or not. I don't know. I'll see how I feel when I'm going through my colours. And the base is going to be a very pale pink that I've got in a mayonnaise bottle. And that is a combination of light rose and titanium white. So first of all, I'll pour on the light rose titanium white. And I'll blow that out with the hairdryer. Please excuse the coughing in the background. My son is home from school today. We've done 2 rapid antigen tests and they're negative, but he is so sick with a cold, so I don't know what's going on. So I think what I'm going to do is just a puddle in the center. Okay, that's the so a pretty simple plan today, but I do want to have it go over the edges somewhat, so there'll be it's a fairly decent amount of paint that I'll put on. It's not just going to be a little puddle. That was titanium white, and then this is Pebeo orange yellow, quinacridone rose light, yellow light. Yep, I'm going to put some Venetian rose in. And then my pink gold. Wow. Interesting. I'll pour some paint around to flood the canvas so I can make sure my paints all mix beautifully. Okay, now I'm going to do a big blowover in one direction only. Wow, look at these beautiful peachy colours. They're so peachy and pretty. Yellow. Well, this is very feminine and pretty. Very feminine and pretty. It's really nice. That's a bit better. Well, this is gorgeous. It's really beautiful. Now this bit down here has got a lot of colour going on, but I've got these two spots up there with sort of two holes there. I might have blown it out a bit hard, I'm thinking, so I'm wondering whether I might put a little bit more paint on there and just work these two areas out a bit more. And I might move this section over here. I might put some more paint there and move this section down a bit. Oh, I've got to do it with my left hand. Right, I'll just do a little bit more over here and then see what I think. I just brought my painting over to dry, and in the sun I cannot believe the halo pink gold by Jacquard Lumiere. It is just mind-blowing. It's like it's electric. So I'm very excited by this painting and this very special paint that I had it in there that I had no idea when it was on the table that that's what it did. And of course the Pebeo orange yellow iridescent colour, that's going to have a lovely effect in there as well. So I think this painting is pretty amazing. It almost looks like, there's just bits that looks like you do that and then go, whoa. So super cool, very happy. I hope you think it's good too. I'll see you next time. Thank you for watching.